Oh my god, getting call from my boss. What to do now? He asked me that I have to get some number, like the sales number which I have to drive, and somehow I have tried a lot, but that number is not happening. What to answer? What to tell him? If this number doesn't happen, I will definitely lose my job, or definitely he will put me on PIP. Oh my god, what to do? Shall I start searching for job? Or shall I give a call to my friend and say that this is boss, this is happening. Had he called you? I don't know what to do. Yes, my dear friends. So have you seen what happened to this particular guy? He got a call from his boss, and he was very stressful, dead scared. He was thinking all negative things. Now, why this tiny ringtone is feeling like an alarm has gone, and which is about to tell you that the world is going to end. Ever felt like that, that your heart is racing and your mind is going blank the moment something happens like this? I'll tell you why. So first, relax. Nothing to worry about. It is your brain's survival mode which is kicking in. Now your brain has something which is called as amygdala. Now what is this amygdala? It is like your personal alarm system. The moment it detects danger, which can be real, it can be imagined, what happens it hijacks your rational thinking, means a thinking which gives you reason, and it activates something called as fight, flight, or freeze mode. Now this is the reason why instead of staying calm, you either freeze up, you either overthink, or you completely try to avoid the situation. And this is the situation where your body releases something called as cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Now, this stress hormone, what happens is it reduces your gray area of your mind. It means you will not be able to think rationally. It will make hard to focus, speak clearly, or even breathe properly. Now, the question is how you can break this cycle of panic. So, I'll give you three-step formula. Step number one: change your physiology, means how you are carrying yourself. You don't believe? Try to smile, even if it is fake, and think something negative. Have you done? If you have done, I bet by smiling, that face is looking like as if you're smiling and thinking negative, it will never happen. Your body affects your emotions. So what, how, like the way how you are carrying yourself, that will get percolated into your mind, and that is how you start feeling. So what you have to do is stand tall, breathe deeply, and smile as if your brain is so what will happen, your brain will follow your body. So whatever your body's posture will be there, your brain will start believing that. Step 2 is reframe the meaning. So what happens now, we always attach meaning to our situations in life. So when you have seen that this person has got a call, rather than thinking that now what to do, how I'll do this, say that I can handle this. I have handled many worse situations in my past, and I have the ability to deal with any kind of situations. So I will win overall. That is what you have to tell. And when you say this dialogue to yourself, your body posture will change, your mind will start thinking in a positive direction. And the third step is take control of your internal dialogue, the words which you are using to create your reality. Stop saying like I am stressed, and start saying that I am in control. Your mind will listen to the command you give. Now you want to train your mind and remain calm in the pressure. So then you have to join my free workshop, which I am doing it on February 23rd, where I am going to share with you and give you step by step techniques which will help you to control your anxiety. Now, what you can do, there are two options. One, you can comment calm or DM workshop, or there will be a link. You can go and register yourself. Okay, so waiting for you to meet in the webinar. Thank you so much.